Hello guys, welcome to a YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So today we are going to continue the operators, and there is another type of operators called bitwise operator. Most of you might know what a bit is. Bitwise operators are, and they are used in binary. I mean, they are used in binary language. So we have to convert 10 into binary, 4 into binary, and then we have to apply AND operator. This is AND operator. Okay. So this is and you have to see the cursor always. This is and this is sorry this is or and this is not, this is XOR, this is just right shift and left shift. Okay, so first we have to convert 10 into binary. So how do we convert it? We just take 10 and we have to do its what should I say, this LCM type or HCF. uh, we have to divide it by 2, as binary has 2 bits, so we always divide by 2 no matter what the number is. So we always divide by 2. What its remainder is just 5. So here the remainder is 0, we write remainder here. Then we sorry then we again divide by 2. The remainder, the 2 twos are 4, so the remainder is 1. And lastly 2 ones are, so the remainder is 0. And we have to look like this in remainders part. So the binary for 10 will be 1010. This will be the binary for 1. Similarly, binary for 4 will be 0000. Okay, so we apply AND operator and oh sorry, we apply OR operator. Sorry, what we have applied it here. Mm, okay. Okay, let's apply AND. Run. The answer is 0. Let's see how. When we apply AND, it means both should be single, then only the answer will be 1, right? So 00, both are 0, answer is 1. No, sorry, answer is 0. Both are 0, both should be 1, then answer will be 1. So it will be 0, 0, 1, they are not similar. 0, 0, 0, again 0, and 0, 1 also not similar. 0. So the main answer will be 0. So that's it. That is only they are showing 0. Then we apply or you can just try it yourself also. It's very easy. So let me find where is that. Okay, or this is just converting the bitwise into the real number. Okay, and you can try the other things by yourself. It's very easy. Just you have to learn something about bitwise operator or not. If you don't know that, it's simple, easy. Not means just convert 0 into 1 if it is 0, and 1 into 0 if it is 1. XOR, you right shift, left shift. It's very simple. You can just try by yourself. You understand it. It's very easy. Right shift. Okay. Then assignment operators. If you have any problem in this, you can comment. You can write in comment section. I will explain you. But it's very easy. You can just learn one to line from that and apply it yourself. You will learn more. Okay. So assignment operator. Assignment operator is just like assigning value to variables. Okay. So we assign value 10 to a. It is not equal to in Python or in C also, and many other languages. It's the equal to is not actually equal to. The equal to sign is like equal to equal to. Then it is called equal to. This is called assignment operator. It assigns value to a variable. It means the 10, the value 10 will be assigned to a. And so okay, a plus equals just means a is equals to 10 plus a, and we have assigned value 10 to a, so it means 10 plus 10. So a plus equals means just 10 plus 10, 20. Similarly, a minus equals a plus, a multiply equals a divide equals a modulus equals floor equals exponent. We have all you have I have all taught you in arithmetic operators. So it is the same, but it just you can also write a plus 10 or a plus equals 10 is just a simple way to write it. It does make the syntax easier. So special operator, identity operators, is or is not are the identity operators in Python. It's very easy to understand. So a is equals to 5. A assigned we assigned value of 5 to a and 5 to b also. So print a is b. That simply means if a is b, a equals to b. So it is giving a boolean value true. Yeah, right. A is b. But when we have list, okay, when we have lists, they are similarly equal list L1 and L2. But when we use identity operators, a L1 is L2, it gives false. This is because it only works in small data types, not more complex data types like tuples, dictionary. This identity operators will not work in these kind of data types, you know. So it will not work in complex data types. Okay. So now string Satish. It's simple, same name. And S1 and S2 is not means they are not similar. It is we are saying, and it is proving us wrong. It is giving a false review. Okay. Okay. Membership operators are just in and not in. It's very simple syntax to learn. Is and is not, in or not in. It's very easy to learn. List one, we have given a list of 1 2 3 4. We are asking is one in list, and it will give us boolean value true. And same similarly with dictionaries, we are giving a key, and we are giving a value a to 1 and to b to 2, and asking is 1 in d, and it is giving, yeah, key is there, the one key is there. But we if ask, let's say if we ask a, it will give us false, because dictionary always works with keys only, not with values. So we have to always provide key if we are using in operator. We can also try true, it will also give true. Okay, so thank you, and comment if any problems or you need some more explanation about it. Thank you.